Hi everyone. This video provides 5 methods to help you when you can't delete files from SD card. You can have a try if you run into this issue. Method 1. Unlock SD card. Type CMD in the search bar and then click Run as administrator from the right side. In the command prompt window, type disk part and press enter. After that, type list disk and press enter. Type select disk 1 and press enter. You should replace 1 with your disk number. Type attributes disk clear read only and press enter to unlock the SD card. After the operation is finished, close command prompt. Method 2. Format SD card. Launch Minitool Partition Wizard. Right-click the SD card and then select Format. Select a desired file system from the drop-down menu. Click OK. Click Apply to execute this operation. If prompted, click Yes. Click OK after the process is completed. Method 3. Wipe SD card. Launch Minitool Partition Wizard. Right-click the SD card and select Wipe Partition. Choose a wiping method you prefer and click OK. Click Apply to carry out the operation. Then click Yes to confirm the operation. Once the process ends, click OK. Method 4. Update SD card driver. Right-click the start icon and select Device Manager. Double-click disk drives to expand it. Right-click your SD card driver and select Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers to update your driver to the latest version. Method 5. Change value data in Registry Editor. Press Windows and R to open the Run dialog. Type Registry in the text box and press Enter. Navigate to the on-screen path. Right-click Write Protect on the right side and select Modify. In the pop-up window, change the value data to 0. Click OK to save the change. Thanks for watching. For any questions, please leave comments or contact us via support@minitool.com.